Nefarious isn't a real name.
Says who, James? Don't get a name until it is. Somebody uses it, it becomes a name.
You seem a bit defensive.
Names are important. They have power. They let everyone know who we are.
As you just saw in the previous clip from the movie Nefarious, names hold immense power.
Bitch, who is Eli? Who's Eli? Bitch, you gon' it out. Who's Eli? Who the f is Eli?
I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to use this to your advantage. The next time that you meet someone, do me a favor. Try your very best to not forget their name.
Simba! Over here, Simba! Nice to meet you, Simba! Give me a roar!
And the next time that you meet them, greet them by their name. Don't just say, hey, how are you? No, you say, hey, Oscar, how are you? Hey, John, how are you? Use the name.
That's my boy Goofy. What up, Goofy? Oh wait, Pluto, I'm sorry, Pluto.
What this does is it demonstrates that in that first encounter that you had with that person, you were invested in them enough to take the time to remember their name.
Oh my God! Pluto! Oh wait, not Pluto. Goofy! There you go.
If you can remember a person's name days after your first encounter with them, it's almost like as if you're complimenting them in a way. On the downside, if you forget their name or you misspell it or you mispronounce it, you're gonna put yourself at a disadvantage.
It's Tamika.
Tamika. Go to Tamika.
Because I said what?
You know what my name is. You know that's not my name.
Dale.
I don't care what they say, that's not my name.
Your name in my phone to Dale from
No,
here on out.
I won't
You are known as
I'll
Dale.
change it every time that you're away from your phone.
And I get it, we've met some people that have very hard names to pronounce. But that could be a good thing. The harder it is to pronounce a person's name, the better it is for you.
What up, Laura?
It's louder. Not louder, it's louder.
It makes you unique. It makes you stand out. You stand out because you actually devoted time and energy into learning that person's name, while others simply just mispronounce it. Do me a favor, apply this information. The next time you go out to eat, the waiter, the waitress, start referring to them by their name. The receptionist, the book librarian, the cashier, the fast food worker. Start referring to them by their name. Not a lot of people do this, so they don't get this type of treatment. Watch how they get all happy. Watch their emotions. That someone finally recognizes them for who they are, their name, not just a simple fast food worker or a simple cashier. Also, try to reduce the amount of times that you use pronouns, he, she. Instead, try to replace it with their names a little more often. To some people, it's a nice sweet tone that they get to hear their name from someone else's mouth into their ears. The magic behind the name is that name represents him or her or that person. It makes them unique. It makes them stand out. That does it for today's video. Remember, don't just listen to advice, but rather listen to advice and apply it.